Hey there, Reggie here over at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis. Today we're going to do a how-to video on something that's new for Chevys. It's the multi-function tailgate. So first things first, you're just going to want to make sure your truck is unlocked. This button here is going to open your tailgate like it normally would. And then to access the multi-function is going to be this top button here. And to open up the hatch, there's another button here. Also makes it easier to get stuff in and out of the bed of your truck. And you have an additional step to get up and in and out. Some pretty cool functions and features there for you. And that's the multi-function tailgate. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And my name is Reggie over here at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis.